gentlemen, just when you thought things were normal, here we are again. The boys are back, the local guys are back. We have me, Kaushik, Aditya, and we have Amar this time after a very long time. It's very interesting. Like, Amar is actually one of the founding members of Yin Yangers, but we think he's a guest or something. Like, that's how regularly he comes. We're on with his presence.
We don't have other guests at the moment, so we invite ourselves as guests.
Ooh, self-burn. Those are rare.
I remember Amar's dialogue in the last podcast. Thank you for coming, Amar. Thank you for having me on my own channel. Touche. But for the people who are regularly following our channel, here's an interesting fact. Amar came in episode 6, I think, right? Okay. That was before his kid was born. And now, this has been a 1 month by then. Now his post kid is born. You can see the difference. The beard and the half sleepiness and all that. So, Amar's the kind of guy, no matter how sleep deprived he is, he'll never admit it. I'm like, are you okay? It's like, I'm fine. I can see the guy's like losing his sleep. So tell me, Amar, how have you been?
Hiding all his bags under his eyes.
Yeah. Shit.
I can assure you it's just the lighting. If I look up, everything is going to be fine.
So yeah, tell me, Amar, how have you been? Long time. How is everything? How have you been?
So yeah, I mean, like since you spoke about fatherhood is great. There are no two ways about it. It's a beautiful feeling.
இப்பதானே ஆயிருக்கு, இப்பதானே பிறந்திருக்கு, ஒரு மாசம் தானே இருக்கு. Don't worry.
ஒரு மாசம் இல்ல, 2 மாசம் ஆயிடுச்சு.
It's
been 60 days.
Oh wow, okay.
I know, so yeah, it's been quite some time. So I will admit it if I have sleep deprivation, because I tell people to get enough rest. I make sure I take some naps whenever I get the chance. I try to manage with naps. If you ask me if I'm getting all the rest that I require, I'm not sure about that, but I'm trying to make do with naps.
See, Amar is a guy who will never reply to message after 9:30. Suddenly at 10:30, 1 o'clock in the morning, it's like, hey, nice video. What the hell? What are you still awake for? I didn't tell you this, okay? When Amar's son got born, like, when he sent me the message, hey, by the way, it's a boy, I freaked out. I'm like, fucking hell, what are you saying? That's a boy. Amar's like, calm down. It's gonna be okay. I'm like, yada. Wait, whose kid is it again?
Exactly. I was
in the hospital, okay? I was in the hospital, and I had to calm this guy down. I was telling, hey, everything is fine, just breathe. He was getting all worked up for some reason. I don't know why.
Why were you freaking out, bro?
I didn't give like a big explanation. I'm like, it's like the people who seem like
Uncle Kaushik was more nervous than Father Amar, I think.
Aditya, what is your reaction to this when you heard, like, after Amar's kid was born? What was your reaction?
First, I decided I am the godfather of the child. Anyways.
Oh dear.
Oh, that's so sweet. Okay.
Well, it's just like, again, like I think it's a very subtle shock to me, because this dude doesn't he doesn't look like he's 30, first of all. And I'm like, okay, நம்மளோட 2 வயசு பெரியவங்க தான் போல இருக்கு. And I was like, he's getting married. I mean, like,
bro, you're 21, you think he's 23 or what?
No, I was like 24, 25, okay, at least younger than Kaushik. Yeah, I was like, yeah, obviously younger than Kaushik.
Here's a good question. What is the weirdest? No, here's a good question. What is the weirdest thing you guys have been recognized as, or like people have mistaken you as? Like, other people like, are you 12 standard? And one is like, are you Arabian? My favorite is your mom. Amar's mom doesn't know my name because you're Abhishek Bachchan. I'm not kidding.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, that's because you're as tall as Abhishek Bachchan. Probably taller. I don't know how tall are you.
like a friend said, that the maybe looks, the height, the over successful father, many characters as Abhishek Bachchan.
Oh.
So yeah, Amar, what is the weirdest thing people have mistaken you for?
I think he has an uncanny resemblance to Rajkumar Rao. Do you feel that?
Oh,
You're probably like the 1 millionth person to say that.
Okay.
Yeah, but I'm happy because I've gotten other compliments before. I think people mean it as compliments. But Rajkumar Rao is definitely welcome anytime. Any number of people say Rajkumar Rao.
No, that's like a free ticket to get Hindi remakes of his films, bro. You could easily get
Tamil
them.
remix. Yeah.
Remake it, remake. Aditya, what about
I mean,
you?
of course.
I'm absolutely flattered, but at the same time, you know, I always go by the concept that all of us are unique, and yeah, he's a different person, I'm a different person, but I'm flattered. I'll take it. It's a really good compliment.
It is a compliment. Another sarcastic
Nah.
personal, it is a
No,
compliment.
no, no, no.
We can give
Next Amar's
compliments. that
birthday, we're
time.
going to put a cutout. Coimbatore Rajkumar Rao. Koi Rajkumar Rao.
Oh, I definitely don't want that. Rajkumar Rao is Rajkumar Rao. Aditya is Aditya. Amar is Amar.
No, no. உன் கோன் நீ அங்கே இரு நான் இங்கே இருக்கிறேன் இந்த
Yeah, exactly.
I have to bring one of you into the equation, so you'll stop talking about that, you know.
What about you, Aditya? What have
Put
you
two
been
uncle.
mistaken? Yeah, Aditya, what have you been like point out like the fuck you look like?
A lot
Yeah.
of people say that I am a fucking disappointment, but like they are true.
That got dark.
Yeah.
This a jar, this a plate, disappointment.
I know.
Yeah, but seriously, Aditya, like Kaushik, people have called Kaushik Abhishek Bachchan.
Really?
People look at.
Yeah,
Call
my
me
mom, my
looks
own
like-
mother calls Kaushik Abhishek Bachchan.
Legit, the first time I met Amar's mom, she like, look at Abhishek Bachchan. I had no clue how to react. I'm like, huh. Thank you. Like,
That's when I suddenly started seeing it as well. Like, you know, oh yeah, he actually does resemble Abhishek Bachchan from certain angles.
I have been seeing Ludo and Bubbly, Bunty or Bubbly like, huh, where? What angle or something?
It's definitely a compliment, especially if my mother is saying it's definitely a compliment. She loves the Bachchans.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. That's what Aishwarya
Oh.
told, but anyways.
The burn and everything.
Hey, how about you, Aditya? You have to give us one. Come on, man.
I,
You have to
I
give us
don't
one.
know,
example.
nobody's. I don't know, like, nobody's called me anything.
We try to encourage Aditya by putting him to a dark place by accident. What have people called
Hey.
you? What have people called? This should be good.
I think Aditya looks like the guy who dubbed for Olaf in Frozen, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So
He actually has acted in a couple of movies. He also features in this internship.
where Vince Vaughn and Owen Wilson go into
Okay.
Google.
Okay.
Aditya is going to do some googling after this movie, after this podcast.
Yeah, I'm gonna be googling who's that.
I mean, it's not exactly the appearance, but the overall vibe of that person.
Oh.
He's got the
that's nice.
same kind of beard that he's, yeah.
Ah. Okay.
He's talented, you're talented, things like that.
Okay.
Look at Aditya. He's just, you know.
Validation. Please give me
You have made
validation.
the validation week is done for him.
Oh my god.
He's gonna sleep, look in the mirror like, huh, same
Yes.
beard and talent. Wait, does he have talent? But still, I'll take it.
I wouldn't be surprised if I find a passport photo of myself in Aditya's bed from today.
Yeah, exactly. Like, yeah.
Thank you, Amar.
Aditya's like 21 years. யாராச்சும் பார்த்து சொன்ன தோணுச்சா? He's gonna go down to his house like, நீங்களாம் இருக்கீங்களே, நான் கேட்கல, ஒரு வாட்டி என்ன பார்த்தாச்சுன்னு சொன்னீங்களா?
Oh my god.
You know the thing about Aditya, we can trash the guy, we can insult him, he's okay. He cannot take a compliment. Look at him, he's confused, his brain
Oh.
can't handle it.
I'm like,
He is like,
insult.
yes, okay.
Yes, I know insults, obviously, fully. But like compliments, what is happening here? Why am I getting complimented?
I've just learned how to break Aditya right now.
Oh,
It's okay.
no,
Aditya.
no.
Aditya, you deserve love, my friend.
What is this? Is this like a self-love class? This is not therapy, okay? I've just attended
Nothing, this
one
is your
hour of
intervention.
therapy. Oh my
Sucker,
god.
It was a podcast knows intervention. We're worried for you.
Oh my god.
Exactly. We had to disguise it as a podcast.
Oh, by the way, I will talk about that. Before we get to what we are planning to talk about, I want to take a moment to talk about the video we recently released, the whole millennial parents problems.
Oh yes.
Yeah, so we wanted Amar to be a part of it. So guys, check out latest video, which is a very interesting take on modern parents, in which how parents want to force their kids to be engineers or doctors. Whereas this, we think, what if they force them to be creative fields, like acting or doctor and all that. And it's like, what I love about
Rapper.
the script is, it's
What
it's
is
a
the
big-
world going to be like in 100 years?
2050 exactly. No, I thought of the script when me and my friend are walking to need preparation. He's like, well, look at this in the future. Going to be like, no need for doctor. You be an actor. You be a rapper. I'm like ka-ching. I am like ka-ching.
Free content.
And it was kind of a dig on Aarti and my life because I actually, the first draft was supposed to be, Amar is supposed to be the father. And he wants
Yeah.
Aarti to be an engineer. And Aarti is like, I
Oh
wanna
yeah,
be an
I
actor.
read that one. Yeah.
And it's a good dig because Amar quit engineering. And I want my thing
Wait,
with me,
that
like
script was this script.
it's called adjusting. Yeah. I'm like, okay, fine.
my
இருக்கிற
God.
மூணு பேரு.
To be honest, I thought the script was blah. Literally, I mean, like I was not. I didn't think it had future. But like right now, this turned out to be the best video we've ever made. I'm like, wow.
That's the thing. Like the premise is one thing. It's how we add on top of it.
Exactly.
Like
Exactly.
Kudos to
which
you,
I'm gonna
man.
talk about
Like,
some other day. If I say one thing, I'm gonna say improvisation. I remember when you showed Jimmy Falloda video. Amar went nuts. He went full, like cursing. I'm like, oh, time out. Enough.
The discussion that Aditya, you remember, I think that's the first time we met and we had this discussion right outside before we were ready to shoot. And that's where like tons of improvisation happened. We decided, okay, Jimmy Falloda, someone will choose Pan. In fact, the name was decided at that point.
At that
Jimmy
point.
Falloda.
Fuck her. We'll just say that.
Utterly unimpressed with that idea. Is like
No, I remember one thing, okay, like I went there, like when I thought it's a very interesting story how we thought of it. No, fuck her, I'm going to say a story now itself. The guy's never going to come. So the thing is, like when Amar thought of the script in 2016 and he kept it in his note and he never used it. When he gave it to me, I'm like, yeah,
it's 3
seriously,
years old.
I saw the
that
door.
script.
Then I'm like, okay, we can do this in terms of like a chat show. So I gave that impression. I told Amar, listen, think of a name for yourself. Like imagine like Jimmy Fallon. He's like, how about Jimmy Falloda? I'm like, it's the most stupidest shit I heard in my life. Arthur's like, that's superb. Wait,
That's
what?
great. That's what we want.
I'm like,
right
what
now.
the hell?
That's a
Then-
saying, madness precedes brilliance. That's exactly what happened.
That was seriously. And it's a very interesting the story about it. Amar has this weird improviser. It's like we have no budget for VFX. He keeps on saying that. I don't know why. And it's very interesting with the green screen didn't work in the editing. So when Amar said we don't have budget for VFX, me and the editor are like, okay, let's cut the VFX and put a green screen. I'm gonna Amar like, நீ தெரிஞ்சிட்டு தெரியாமையோ நல்ல காரியம்
Modern
பண்ணிக்கடா.
problems require modern solutions.
I saved the video. With
You have no idea,
excellent
like at that
foresight.
point. I was thinking, like, I wanted to make the most un-Amar character ever, cursing, drinking, everything.
Yeah,
and
the
Amar's like,
irony,
finally, yeah.
Oh my god, yeah.
Aditya
If
Solo
anyone's ever
like,
made
he went nuts. He was like, I'm gonna leave it to me. I gave him some 4 lines like, fuck it. He went PewDiePie, he went, like, screw the government, I'm like, get time out, ra.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, that's when I saw Aditya perform for the first time. So I think we were joking in the previous segment, but we weren't exactly joking. I was blown away by Aditya's performance. I was like, wow, this guy is so good. He's just improving the shit out of
Time
this.
out. No more compliments. No.
I've had enough for today.
Like,
Amar, I've had my tummy full. I don't want it.
exactly, it's a year's worth of compliments. Hey.
Yeah.
So you know what's one interesting thing? Amar's son, when he like grows up later, Amar's gonna trip like when you're born there's a fucking pandemic.
Yeah, right.
Shit was gonna be like there's a whole worldwide pandemic.
Oh,
And his son and he was doing a podcast during that time.
Oh, segue.
பெரிய segue டா டேய் சாமி.
Segue machi.
Segue மச்சி, segue தான்டா.
Like how our old generation said, like our father, everyone, all the old generation, like we used to walk to school, no cars. We can say like when during our time there's a worldwide pandemic. I think that was how you say in 2020. Yeah, 2020 when our shit was real, and we thought okay, it's done. But shit got real again in 2021.
The second wave, man. God damn.
The second wave, like it's legit. I'm not even joking. When I heard it's gonna be lockdown, my mind is like, thank God you have video podcast. Yes. Like
That's actually true, man. I mean, our grandfathers used to talk about world wars and stuff like that. We can talk about a world pandemic. So we have something
know.
really cool to
trippy shit. This is like a
Yeah.
pandemic. And this time shit has hit the roof. Like last time, like, you know, it was like people we know getting corona, big thing. Now everyone's fucking getting it.
Yeah, that's actually true. I mean, I had to postpone one of our shoots. You know, we were thinking of shooting a web series this week.
Oh, okay.
The director was going left, right, and center, making all the arrangements, and suddenly he's like, today, Anna, even my close friend got it, my Peripa also got it. So I think we'll shoot something a little simpler where we don't need that many people on set. And adukapram kuda idu shoot panikalam. So yeah, it's definitely super serious and
Yeah.
The best
I
the
think
director's like, Amar, I'm dedicated to direction. I love your work, but I don't want to fucking die. You're a good actor, but not fucking kill myself. Good actor.
Yeah, I
Let's
mean,
put this
like,
in later.
dude, I just can't believe like 19-year-olds are dying, bro, just because of coronavirus. It's really scary. 19-year-olds, like, what have they done in life to die at a very young age? And because of a freaking virus. That's so sad. Yeah.
Well, looks like the sacrificing virgins after all.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you really had
That
to.
was-
You really had
that
to.
was
say
a-
this.
Sorry, I couldn't. It was an impulse.
How irresponsible of you as an MBBS graduate, Mr. Kaushik. Oh my god.
This is another step to Amar getting cancelled.
We're getting cancelled. And this time it was not me. Mind you,
cancelled.
cancelled. This
Okay,
was not
okay.
because of me right now. It was because of Kaushik, and you warned me not to name drop
I'm so sorry.
tell
Like, I didn't
anything
see that.
controversial.
Oh god, but yeah.
so we thought Aditya was the controversial guy.
You have no
But,
idea what
Kaushik
this
is
guy
fine.
does. We'll mention a certain minister or government and all that. But again, this whole thing, have you noticed India's become the whole, like, you know, focus? Like, we have foreigner, like, are you guys okay? I'm here, you guys are news and everything.
Yeah, I
And-
think. Yeah, go on. Sorry, yeah.
No, the thing is, like, it could have been avoided. Like, the second wave needed to happen in India. What do you guys feel about that?
It should not have happened. I think like the you know, like one of the most problematic scenarios and like one of the most probable reasons the second wave actually happened was because of the election rallies which happened. Not to get political and all, I mean, like, I know that whatever I speak it's going to get political, but like I think like this is something we should talk about, man.
I feel if we get into political trouble, you're like, for us? You guys gonna, you know, came all the way for us?
அப்பயாவது நம்ம பாப்புலர் ஆவோம் பாப்போம்.
You're like, fucking kill us for subscribers. No, but it makes sense. Elections, crowds got spread more.
Yeah, Maharashtra, look at Maharashtra right now, bro. Like, there's literally nobody in the streets right now. And why is that? It's because of the election rallies. I mean, like, people are like, why would you want to step out in the first place when you're having...
Did this whole thing happen in Tamil Nadu because elections, or apart from that in the north also it affected?
It increased to a certain degree. Like, it increased because of the election rallies. But like, thank God it's not as worse as West Bengal or Maharashtra right now.
They should have probably done all the election rallies online.
Yeah, I think they
Yeah,
did do it. Stalin Davarare. Oh shit, did I name drop? I don't give a fuck for.
No, it's a good song. We're not making fun. It's a fucking great song. As
It's
a dance
great
song,
song.
like,
It's
fuck,
a
we need
very
a
catchy
choreograph.
song.
We're just singing a nice song. We're not singing about anybody. It's just like
Yeah, we
it's a
didn't
catchy.
So, Amar,
Oh my
what do you
God.
feel? Apart from election, did anything else contribute to this whole increase in cases?
No, I was probably going to say the same thing. You know, when it comes to political stuff, I think my knowledge is a little limited. It's an area where, you know, I really have to read and try to know more about. I even watched this political thriller recently, Mammootty's new movie. Okay, let's talk about that. It's called
One of
So
these.
it was super interesting, you know, again talking about corruption, and they were also talking about this impeachment bill that people should have the right to impeach people if impeach politicians if they're not happy with them. Okay, why did I start talking about that? I don't know, just because I love Mammootty maybe.
Nothing. He wants Amar, you know, reviews some
I
Mammootty.
think, Kaushik, I think you have to ask the question to yourself, because you're the one who knows stuff which is happening. You're
be
being the
honest,
frontline worker, right? Like, what do you think?
I feel the stuff I'm gonna say is not even something, you know, like, it's not very medical. It's like we saw it like around Jan, February. I'm not even kidding. The hospital I work in had one corona case. And I am like, we're going to close the ward. And as you guys know, I'm an event manager. I'm like, finally, it's a business. Then slowly, it's like 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not kidding. It's become 60, 70. Like we just took
Wait,
the whole
16 or 60?
60.
Oh, okay.
And
okay.
I'm telling you, it's become like 90 now. Cause like
Oh
corona
my
is
God.
like, I swear to God, I love to be a hospital owner. Pun intended. Like at the point, like like it's like very. I feel one motivation not to get corona is the bill. Fucking 2-3 lakhs to get
yeah.
admission. And the shit is so
Damn.
bad. Before last year was like, I don't want to spend so much. This year's like, will I get a bed? But on that
Right.
note,
It's
Tamil
2 lakhs
Nadu is,
per
will
day,
I-
right?
Fuck that. It's if you get a bed. That's Tamil Nadu. In the
Oh.
north, you don't get oxygen cylinders. What do you feel about that, Aman? What do you feel about the whole oxygen cylinder fiasco? You must have read about it, right?
Yeah, I read about that, and I even read in today's newspaper that I think it's Priyanka Chopra. She's starting a crowdfunding campaign. I think so that people can get more oxygen cylinders. And
Like the PM
going
Cares
back to
Fund. Yeah.
Going back to the previous topic, real quick, you guys are actually right, about the election rallies. When our beloved actor Vivek passed away, you should have seen the crowd. I mean, it's right there in the news, people not wearing their masks. When actor Vijay decided to go vote on his bicycle, you can see the number of people running behind him without masks.
I can already imagine the Behind Woods title if this video breaks out. Amar, இளைய தளபதி விஜய் பத்தி என்ன சொல்றாருன்னு தெரியுமா? Question mark.
I would love it if they do that, let's make this video go viral.
Oh my god.
Amar Tala Ajit fan.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I mean, I'm very happy with what Tala Ajit did, by grabbing the phone and all that. We even did a video on Thiruvilayadal recently,
Segue,
talking
huh?
about media manipulation.
Again,
Yeah, segue. How the media manipulates certain things. He was just trying to do something noble, and people, want to make news out of it.
I want to say one thing. Vijay's PR should get a raise. I can see the guy like, dude, ride a cycle and go. Why the fuck would I do that? Trust me on this. Fucking take a cycle and go. And
I don't want to go on the cycle. Vijay must have been like, I don't want to go on the cycle. Why would I
it's
do
fucking
that?
summer. Why would I go on a cycle? Listen
Yeah.
to me, dude. And the Vijay fans were nut. Vijay sending slipper shot to BJP. ஏதோ சொல்ல வராரு. அடுத்த CM na Vijay.
metaphorical-ஆ
And like he
பயங்கரமா
rode a
பேசுறாங்க.
cycle, you choots.
Oh my god, it's just like you know I was thinking enachna like Vijay was going in the cycle and there was 2 dudes who were in front of him taking the video footage. Okay, I kid you not, I was thinking, okay, in the evening enna avapoduna Behind Woods or some random channel will interview the people who took the first, I mean like who were in front of Vijay and be like, உங்களோட பயணம் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு, நீங்க விஜய் பத்தி என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க. And I kid you not, like that evening itself they did the freaking interview with those 2 people. They're like, oh my god, they found the people who were
What, really?
Yeah, I think yeah. I mean like I did not see the video personally, but like a friend of mine saw it and is like, oh my god, what the hell, man. it's very sad and it's very என்ன சொல்றது சங்கடமான விஷயம். And one more thing I want to ask you, Amar, like you were talking about the actors and you yourself were giving a diplomatic answer when it came to politics and all. Like from when the coronavirus situation started, like we had like people from I mean like all the celebrities, like the Twitter they did not even have the guts to say something was wrong with India. For example Sachin Tendulkar, he tweeted out saying like when this Rihanna situation popped up, situation where she tweeted out saying this thing.
That's when he said, we can handle our own country.
Yeah,
Right?
Sachin was like, yeah, this is an internal matter, and everyone started to backlash. I mean, like the backlash was a really good thing because a lot of people knew that she was just tweeting out something, and like Sachin Tendulkar, he had not even like spoken up until now, and suddenly there was this mass tweet, I mean like including Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli and stuff like that. I mean people like that, there was a mass tweet going on supporting the government, and
Yeah.
it's pretty clear that the Bollywood is fully under the control of the government. Like every
Cricketers,
single
not
person.
for your Bollywood,
Yeah, even cricketers, exactly. Virat Kohli and other cricketers, even Sachin Tendulkar, we just talked about him. Yeah. So what do you feel? I mean, like at least like compared to us, you're
Like
like,
a
in a celebrity status.
Entertainment
like, what
was
do you-
political, like that, right?
I wouldn't say it's entertainment versus politics. I'm saying that like
Probably the role of influencers in talking about the situation and how we can make things better. Is that what you're trying to say?
No, I'm saying that as a celebrity, like, do you think that we should I mean, like, government சொல்றத வந்துட்டு அப்படியே வந்துட்டு கண்ண மூடிட்டு should be like listen to it?
Oh,
Like,
you
what do
mean
feel
other
about-
people are celebrity? I thought talk about yourself. As a celebrity podcaster, do you think we should listen to the
No,
government?
I was like, okay, he must
Amar
have.
said I'm talented half an hour back, so I think I'm a celebrity podcaster.
Okay, we're back to the basics. Anyways, as I was saying, like Amar, you know what it feels to be like an influencer / celebrity. Like, do you, if you were put in this situation, would you like directly say that like, hey, this is wrong, we need to do something like this, or would you like adhere to the government, which is like saying you should not tell like this, you should have a public image saying that you supporting the government? What would you do?
Depending
And
on
what do
Amar's
you
answer,
feel?
he's going to get some. Your answer regards what DMs you're going to get right now.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, and what do you feel about those people, like the celebrities in the north and like even in the south? They're blindly supporting whatever the government is doing. And Kangana Ranaut, what about her?
That, you know, for example, people like
Exactly. I was going to mention her.
Yeah.
I was going to mention her. I think she put out a video even in the last 24 hours that's again going viral on Instagram.
Wow.
It had like 900k views or likes. I'm not sure about that.
Wow.
But a lot of people. She's very outspoken, isn't she? She's a very.
She
gutsy
has a
person.
overpay PR
Yeah.
team. She like, I like take my money, make me somehow. Look, we're talking about Kangaroo of all the random people. None of us have fucking seen Gangster. Or you don't know, but even talk Kangaroo not. She's like got her thing. And what do you? Okay, you finish that. After that, I'll ask after. What do you feel about Kangaroo's whole
Yeah,
thing?
so I think if it was given to me, you know, answering a question out there, if it was left to me in my personal choice, I don't really believe in you know like calling out people and yeah, exactly. I don't really think I would call out people, but rather I would like to tell people what I would do. Absolutely, you know what you said is right. I don't think any celebrity or influencer should just eat up or you know swallow whatever the government is saying.
Sell out.
That's not necessary. Everyone has an active intelligence, so we should be using that actively, like the word itself says. And we should say what we really feel. But at the same time, it's an art, you know, saying things, putting things across without calling out anybody or you know hurting
No,
anybody's
I
feelings.
like see.
The point is to get the job done.
Yeah, I get what you're saying. I'm not specifically talking about calling out. It's like it's obvious, right? It's obvious that this has happened and this is not
Yeah.
right. We're not calling out. I'm saying like what it doesn't necessarily mean call out, but அதுதான் நான் சொல்ல வரேன். Like if you
yeah,
know,
completely.
If you feel they're wrong, then you have to tell. I mean, disagree. We should have the, you know, I mean, we already have the right freedom of speech. So yes, we should.
really do we actually have the freedom of speech?
I can see where you're looking at. You're looking at me. Don't even fucking think about it.
Give us at least they give us the illusion of the freedom of speech, and some people choose to use
That-
it as much as possible.
This is not
We have to be careful. Yeah.
talk about freedom of speech. Amar, thanks for the segue. Have you seen the latest ruckus that the government is taking out tweets for people criticizing the government?
I know,
Whereas
right?
what they're doing is criticizing, not even
know,
criticizing, like we don't have fucking beds, we don't have air, and the government's like, don't criticize the government.
Yeah,
Like,
the irony is Modi put out a tweet like 4 years before saying that please criticize the government doesn't exist, something like that. He was like, please criticize Modi, the government will improve because of criticizing. The complete opposite. The irony is that right now the government is taking out the Twitter people like who are like against what criticizing the government. And I think like the UP government is the most pathetic one and is the most horrible place to be right now in Uttar Pradesh right now. It's just like so horrible, man. Like that person who's ruling over there, he's just being I don't for the lack of a better word, he's being a dictator, man. Like why would you want
I'm
to
happy you said
curb
dictator after that.
dictator? Yeah, like are you are you looking at like the status situation there in UP right now? I think it's the most horrible because people are getting jailed just because you're in Twitter typing out something. I mean, like you're just tweeting out your
Right.
opinion and you're getting into jail because of that.
Hey,
Yeah,
on
I
that
think
note,
that's
here's a very controversial question. Amar,
What?
have you ever been asked by someone to promote something which you weren't interested in and just like, you know, you had that call?
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be in the
Yeah, there
political.
have
You
been
had that call.
times. There have been times when I refused. Like for example, I advocate products that are healthy, right, on my Instagram or. So when people ask me to promote stuff that I do not believe in, then I just say no to that.
Define
even if it
believe.
has, like-
What don't you believe in?
When it comes to things like the government, Aditya, I feel I personally don't know Mr. Modi, our Prime Minister. I understand, it's sad that people are getting jailed for putting out their opinions on Twitter and all that. But at the same time, how much is he personally responsible for? When it comes to things like this, I don't know who's doing it. Is it his people? Is it him doing it personally? A lot of questions that are running in my head, So before I do constructively criticize, I try to get as much information as possible, because I have a few close friends who are pro BJP, and they tell me the amount of effort he's actually taking to neutralize the situation. So
Okay.
I don't know, man.
Okay, let me
I'm
put
just
out- let
trying
me
to
put
find
out-
out.
All I can say is smooth. you just made sure Sato got
Illa,
released.
just diplomatic. Yeah, I was expecting more. Nothing more, nothing
exactly.
less from you. Okay, let me put out this follow-up
I mean,
question.
see,
Oh, by
diplomatic
the way,
is
random. By stop everything, random. What is it? Amar's movie is coming out. Satur. He's saying, how's the scene on that?
Oh,
I know, like I said a joke about how
Why-
like Amar saving Satur release with the whole comment.
Okay, like wait, before we go, like I just have a
Yeah.
final question for you. Like as a
Yeah.
celebrity and as a following, like you have some sort of a following up. Like, don't you think, like you should be aware of like what's happening? You're telling that you're not aware of stuff which is happening. You have to read more and all. Do you feel that it's like as a person who can like influence people? Like, do you think
Right.
that you can actually, should you get knowledge, political knowledge? Do you think that's right?
definitely, I completely agree with that. When I see, I'm probably underselling my political knowledge. I do try to
Okay.
read about stuff
Okay.
on the internet and on the newspaper. I talk to a lot of people. I try to understand what the scenario is. But I'm telling you, we don't have all the inside information when it comes to something very macro like politics. I don't think we have all the inside information.
Right.
If you are asking me, hey Amar, talk about increasing immunity as an influencer, as a health influencer, that's something I'm very sure about. I can belt out stuff right away, which I know for a fact can help people out. So that's how I would like to try and support people and
Keep it like this.
Okay,
Like we
okay.
will come to segue later. But the whole
Yeah.
point is that like what I was trying to say is like we're not someone who's going to point out stuff for what's happening government wise and all that. But shit's gone down the drain. Like it's really pretty serious. Like this thing, and we just like feel this could have been a boy. India wasn't supposed to have a second wave. Like, we could have we could have just like put in the mud. And I suppose a point has come right now. We have to save ourselves. Like there's no like when the government keep lockdown, when we do something and all that. Like for example, we guys would love to shoot right now, but we can't because like again, I love you guys, but I don't want to die. I don't want like my tombstone to be like middle of a shoot. Like his last words was yelling at Aditya. like
that's actually true. It
has all boiled down to individual responsibility, right? We have to ensure that we are keeping ourselves safe.
yeah.
And there's a lot we can say about the government. You're probably right. Everybody could have worked more efficiently, but at the same time, now the present scenario is where we have to take care of ourselves.
That comes a very important point. Aditya, what says very right. As a person who has like a following and all that, like each three of us are following. Even let me say Amar's might be bigger, but we have a separate following. We can say that. What you can do is to get game of political knowledge, we can use this platform to spread stuff. Like basic knowledge, like awareness and all that. We don't have to like point fingers and all. Like we can't do anything. When you point fingers, what's gonna happen? So yeah, I feel like, you know, that point we just like spread like, you know, like basic awareness of what's going on. And right now people are shit scared. Like to be honest, I'm not even joking. As a comedian, pun intended, or you know, three of us entertainers, we are really conscious of putting all comedic content. Because with things being so bad, like can we say like a joke about, you know, like this thing. At the same time, you know, you can, but you can like, you know, tell things what's going on. So I'll start with everyone. Aditya, what do you feel like? How do you feel like, you know, people can like things to do at this time and all that? With shit being so bad.
Okay. Yeah. That's a question that we actually talked about in the last podcast, but it couldn't unfortunately make it. So I was talking to you and Hari, and I first told this as we were looking forward to the release of our latest video. I was telling Hari that hey, I don't even want to release the video because that's how sad it was. Because every single person in my Instagram, like I think everybody's Instagram, like they were putting out stories, begging for beds, oxygen cylinders,
and all that. Yeah.
Like every single person, man. Like I did not have the heart to like suddenly like people are being at least like right now people are being like, you know, consciously woke enough to like care about the society, and suddenly there's this hey look at this funny video, swipe up, and it's just like I know I am I mean like I always like I want to look at things in a very like light way, and for me it was like very I couldn't digest the fact, and I was half-minded releasing the video, but finally we did release it. But that's when like I understood that we are content creators, we are creators. Exactly. We have the power to create something which will wait
that reminds me, Aditya, as comedians, like we can present the message in a comedic fashion, but doesn't mean dilute the message like that, right?
True, indeed, yeah. That's a very powerful tool we have, and if we are able to make the audience or make the target forget about their troubles and forget about whatever they are thinking just for 5 seconds, I think our job here is done. So yeah, that's what I'm willing to do as a content creator right now. So yeah, I know. Wow, I'm being very serious.
Yeah, we got to do what we got to do.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm being very serious right now. I'm being very serious about being
No, that's actually true. We have to do what we have to do as content creators. Everything in the world is a service, and our service is creating content. And entertaining people. That's actually service from my perspective.
That comes to my point, Amar.
Dead Poet
Society.
Society.
What do you feel with your whole point as the difficulty entertainers or YouTubers? Yes, exactly. What do you feel about the whole difficulties entertainers and YouTubers are feeling about the whole pandemic situation? How would you tell about that?
I mean, I have to admit.
Take your time. This is your 1 minute reel. Take your time. 1 minute too. I'll ask again if you have to.
So yeah, like you were mentioning, I also mentioned the web series, the one that we postponed some time back. I mean the shoot. So Kaushik and I, we are big fans of the Undisputed series, and I was talking about a particular dialogue in Undisputed 3 which says adapt, improvise, and overcome. So in this particular situation,
isn't that Man vs. Wild? Bear Grylls? Wasn't that?
It's probably a common saying, but we know it from Undisputed 3.
Right. Okay, cool. Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, as content creators, we probably cannot meet now. I might not be able to hug you guys, and we won't be able to have that kind of shoots. But we'll have to improvise, like this podcast, for example.
Yeah.
Or look at all the reels we've been creating, guys. All the shots and all the reels we've been creating. Even famous stand-up comedians like Kenny Sebastian, I think, he's also making really cool reels on his really cool comedians like Kaushik and Aditya are making really good reels from their residences. So I think we have to improvise and try to give people a good time, offer them a good time. Yeah.
Indeed.
That's actually a very interesting. Amar says generally when it comes to the entertainers like shoots, like we can't do how we usually do, but situation, what can we do in the situation?
Exactly.
And adapt accordingly. And
even if we meet in person, we'll have to keep the crews very tight and make sure we follow all the protocol.
and things like that. So
Yeah. See, like with this whole thing, what I can say as a doctor is like nothing new. It's like the basic things like sanitizing, keeping distance, like being hygienic. That's all we need. If you just maintain that, and and if I'm to say one thing as a whole, the myths about the vaccine we should stop. Like,
Yeah.
it's, if shit has gone bad, the only thing saving us is the vaccine right now.
Okay.
Like I feel like I've had both my doses.
So எங்க அண்ணன் மன்சூர் அலி கான் சொல்றது தப்பா? Dude, what was that outbreak about, bro?
I love that dude. He's like நம்ம வேக்சின் கேட்டோமா எதுக்கு வெச்சுக்க? I'm like fuck it. Like
You know what, guys? I personally love a good conspiracy theory, but there are people coming up with complete shit in the name of conspiracy theories just to sound intelligent, or
I don't mind you guys saying there's some shit about corona. Don't say no corona. I'm like, what the hell? Are you playing hide and seek or something? Well,
Exactly. At least try to make your conspiracy theory sound credible. If it's well,
wait. Quick. What is the most random theory you've heard? People said like like a whole food like immunity theory you heard, which is like bullshit. What is the one thing you've heard?
I read a message. Okay, all due respect to the person who forwarded the messages. He's a good filmmaker, but at the same time,
Yeah, solra.
or is he? Or he says that people are dying without oxygen. Then why are you asking us to wear mask? Because you wear the mask so that you don't get corona. After you get corona, you need oxygen. You dash. That's what I felt like telling him. But these people, are they even listening to themselves? Do they sound
smart to themselves, I don't know. It's just ridiculous, man. Yeah.
Amar needs an anger translator. That's all I'm gonna say about the dude. Like he has this poor dude as a reputation. He is like, yes, I understand. He's a thing.
See, nothing of that sort. I'm not trying to.
all the time. I think you need to Jimmy
We're gonna
Faluda,
break him with the
bro.
2022. That's all I can
The-
say.
the calmness-
You
the
need to
calmness-
break this motherfucker between 2022.
Hey, you guys have to understand, the calmness is a result of understanding certain emotions, but at the same time, I'm not against anger. You ask my wife, she'll tell you how often I get angry.
Okay.
It's something that has to be embraced. It's again a human emotion. I'm not going to go around walking on the street saying, hey, I'm a person who never gets angry. That's not a reputation I want. I don't want people to put me on a pedestal.
I want to show people that I'm angry when I'm angry.
Amar's gonna be like, listen, don't get angry. Amar didn't have the sub you wanted. I'm gonna kill you, motherfucker.
There was well placed anger when you were playing Jimmy Faluda. Like I really liked the anger. It was very genuine. I was like, wow,
Yeah.
this is real anger.
I am like, don't hit all
Exactly.
we are human beings. We as human beings have everything inside us, right?
Yeah.
You cannot define a human being saying, okay, this is how he is, that is how he is. We have everything
Yeah.
inside us. We can unleash it if we want it.
That's what she said.
Exactly.
But
But seriously, like, okay, now the situation is dire and all that. Oh god, man, that's what she said. Count number 1 for the day. Like, anyway.
I was thinking, why hasn't Aditya said that all?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's you should see when Aditya is informed and all that. I was sure to talk about politics. It's a bit hard. That's what she said. Like, oh, but
we're talking
hey,
on a
but-
serious note, so yeah, that's what she
No.
said. More that.
No. But before we get to the serious last thing I'm gonna say, Amar, what is one thing you've wanted to like say but you haven't like wanted to? You get right? Like when someone says something stupid, you're like, I want to say this, but no. Like people must have said dumb shit to you.
If it's someone close, I have this really close friend named Hansraj. I mean, Kaushik, you know it yourself because we are.
Yeah, I'm Hansraj. But
Aditya, you're also
Hansraj-
close to me, okay?
Yeah, Hansraj from the episode 7. Yeah.
what?
Yeah, Hansraj from
We
episode
mentioned
7.
him.
So
Yeah.
we greet ourselves with MCBC over the phone. We don't even say hello. That's how it's between us. That's the
Okay.
chemistry. That's the love we have for each other. He's like, BC, what the fuck are you doing? And so yeah, if someone is close to me, it all depends on who the person is, the way I talk to them, and the side of mine that I'd like to show to them and things like that. I hope that answers
Again,
your
that's what she
question,
said,
Kaushik.
but I gotta stop that. Okay, that's what she said. Okay, stop. Fine. Yeah.
I feel Atya's gonna have a wife, and she like, if you say the word, that's what she said, I'm gonna leave you and take the kids and go. It's really hard for me. That's what she said.
He's going to change it. He's going to get creative and said, that's what you said. Aren't you?
Oh.
It's really hard for me. That's what I said. I'm gonna take the kids and leave and all that. Athi, if you were to say one advice regarding the coronavirus thing, what would you say? Apart stay the fuck away from me.
No, it's just like it's very simple. The advice I don't think this is an advice and all. It's just a statement. It's a solution. It's a very simple one. Please stay inside your fucking houses. There are people who don't even have houses and they're safe. You idiots, even me included. I'm not saying now no peri uttamalam kadiyadu, but I'm saying you idiots who have houses, who have freaking places to sleep, you're getting corona. And why is that? Fucking you're going outside every single time. I mean, like this cannot be stressed enough. Please stay inside and do not go outside. And even if you're going outside, please wear mask. I can't stress this enough, bro. Like, I have plans. We have plans as yin yangers. We have plans to do. We have videos to shoot. Why the hell are you not allowing us to shoot? Apadi, finally put the blame on them for
Exactly. Avatar 3 முடிக்க வேண்டியவங்க.
What is this?
We're stuck here. Exactly.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's the thing. So Amar, like, as if people don't know, apart from Amar being the influencer and the dietitian and all that, he's also being influencer. He's also like, you know, helps in prescribing diets, and he really knows this thing about increased immunity. What would you recommend for people regarding this whole think about coronaviruses? We need certain diets which increase immunity. What would you recommend for people?
So even recently, you know, it's something that we usually talk about in the Ayurvedic circles. You know, many of my friends are Ayurvedic doctors. I came across this WhatsApp video where another doctor is talking about what we can take to increase our immunity. The very first thing that he mentioned was Triphala. Triphala is one of the most powerful medicines. Usually in any Ayurvedic diagnosis, what they do is they start by cleaning the gut. So Triphala is often used to clean the gut. It has amla in it, which is a very, very good, very strong source of vitamin C. So take a little bit of Triphala, mix it in hot water and drink it. If the taste is horrible, mix a little bit of honey in it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, it doesn't taste great. It's very difficult to eat on its own, so you might have to mix some honey in it.
Also, like, what is the deal with Kavasara Kudineer? Is it really can it like cure? I mean, like, increase immunity or like? Yeah, it's like everyone's like.
No, that's something I really
those
have
balls,
to, you know,
like
study a
those
little more
homeopathic
about.
white
But
balls. Yeah, what are those?
Hey, homeopathy is great, man. Homeopathy.
Great stuff. Homeopathy actually, you know, it gravitates towards natural healing. They talk about psychological aspects also. Okay, you have a physiological condition. It's because you have a psychological problem also. It is because of stress. It's because of a lack of sleep. So they talk about
sleep.
And the medicine will stimulate our own body's ability to fight a condition or a disease. That's what homeopathy does. So if you have stress, you know, it'll encourage your body's ability to fight stress. That's what homeopathy does. Be it Ayurveda, be it homeopathy, the point is to basically cleanse our systems. You were talking about Kabasara Kudineer. I don't even know if I'm saying it. Yeah, Kudineer. So the point is that increases the heat in the body, so we sweat out toxins. You know, the skin is one of the biggest excretory organs in the body, you know, so when we sweat out
it is
toxins,
it is the biggest excreting organ, yeah.
Exactly.
Biggest excreting organ.
Oh yeah.
So a lot of things like that, you know.
So Kavasara Kudineer, it just like increases the heat.
This is the point.
It increases
body heat nu neriya per sollirukanga enta. I personally haven't consumed it myself. But if that is the point, then you know, when you sweat it out, if a fever ke vandittu neriya per enna solluvaanga, don't immediately pop in a tablet when you have a fever. What you have to do is, you know, try and sweat it out or rest. Your body is fighting a war. Rest. It's going to do its job. Don't think of suppressing your body's own fighting mechanism. Yeah.
I feel like if you were saying 30 seconds, what would you feel is the first thing you need, first line of, if you like, what do you think, what would you recommend for a diet in terms of immunity when it comes to coronavirus? Like the whole, yeah, what diet would you recommend for increasing immunity?
I mean, especially because the summer's crazy, I would recommend people to eat a lot of basic stuff, fresh fruits, vegetables, lot of vitamin C. We are talking about lemons, we are talking about amla. So I was talking about Triphala sometime back. Triphala already has amla, but at the same time there is something called Nellikai legume, which is amla legume. It's a concoction made out of amla. So try eating stuff like that. But when it comes to eating food, fruits, vegetables, go to the basics. Eat stuff that is very easy for the body to assimilate and convert into energy. We should be eating food that gives to the body and not takes away from the body, right? So in very raw terms, we have to be eating food that gives to the body. So a lot of fruits, vegetables. In yoga, they talk about fruits and vegetables having a lot of prana, which is life force, right? So we should be eating foods that give energy to the body. And of course, all the spices. Grandmas would have told us black pepper, turmeric, crazy amount of benefits and all those. Even if you're drinking tea, normal chai, make sure you smash some ginger and put it into it, boil it in that water, have inji tea, ginger tea. Definitely going to help.
Perfect, yeah, that's actually a good thing for a viewer here. And that's Amar's Instagram status.
Yep.
Alright, don't forget to cut and send to him. I would say for my thing, as a one thing I would say as a doctor is I would confirm the efficacy of the vaccine. I've taken both my doses, and even though things are really bad, we have the vaccine. And I would say believe in it. People are really scared right now. The side effects are really bad. One day have fever, body pain and all that, but doesn't mean that's a one chance regarding everything. And apart from the basics of the social distancing and hygiene and everything, so I feel these 3-4 months we should get it through. Forget future plans. Let's live one day. Let's what's your plan for life? Staying alive.
Great.
Yeah.
What's plan for your
Exactly.
life?
Don't die.
This is our
That's all.
chance.
That's the plan.
I feel
Vaccine is our chance at us hanging out again.
Vaccine is our chance at hanging out again without wearing masks, enjoying a cup of tea and eating snacks together, hanging out with friends. I really miss all that. I was talking to Harija today morning. I realized it's been over a year since I've been to the theatre. I mean, a lot of personal situations also, but at the same time, owing to COVID, I live in a joint family where almost everybody are 58. My mother's 60 years old. She's turning 61 this August. So I haven't been to the theatres in a year, and I absolutely love going to the theatres. I miss it, man. I absolutely miss going to the theatre. So
you see, if you don't know much,
I absolutely miss going to the theatre.
Harija and Amar see random movies. They I saw last week some they will see some Arya that movie and what the hell, who sees that movie? Harija said a joke the person who checks, no, legit the person who who's checks you for metal in the starting, the person knows Harija. It's hi, you again? Yeah, you again. I one day said me and Amar went for War, the movie. We'll go War the next movie. He's yeah, we'll go. I'm really? So yeah. So yeah, like I said, even though shit's been really bad, the whole world's been talking about how India's been bad, but it's up to us to take care of ourselves. And as us as entertainers and YouTube channel, we're going to spread awareness, things are going to get better. So we take care of ourselves. So guys who are listening, take care. Be safe. Any problems regarding diet or medicine, you can ask me, Amar, Atya. With that, we three are signing off from this episode. What episode is that, Atya? 9, right?
I have no idea what episode is because we're releasing.
Yeah, exactly. But
we're releasing some other episode before this.
Which means we have done quite a lot of episodes. So
yeah, it's
Cheh.
So like I said, you guys, stay safe. Be careful.
Don't die,
3,
bitches.
2, exactly. You have one job. Your dad said, don't die.
Don't die.
3, 2, 1.
Eat.
Yeet.